What's going on, world? My name is Dana Harris and I'm back dropping math jewels again. We're continuing our series on 8th grade functions with the Common Core curriculum, and in this particular standard we want to compare the properties of two different functions that are represented in two different ways. As you can see right here, I have a function scenario represented in word form, and on this side I have a function scenario represented in graphical form. Now, my question to you is when we look at these two different scenarios, I want to know if you use 5 or more gigs of data in these different scenarios, which plan would be a cheaper plan for you. All right? Now, it says a cell phone company charges a flat fee of $25 for the first 2 gigabytes of data used. They charge $5 for each additional gigabyte of data used. All right? So notice in this particular scenario, you're going to pay $25 regardless. Now, as we asked, we want to know if you use 5 or more gigabytes of data, which of these plans is going to be cheaper. So if the $25 fee covers the first 2 gigs, we're going to have to pay for an extra 3 gigs of data. All right? So if I'm going to be charged $5 for each gig used beyond the 2, I'm going to have to pay an extra $15. So that tells me in this particular scenario, I'm going to pay my flat fee of $25 plus an additional 5 times $3. All right? So I end up paying $25 plus $15, which equals a total cost of $40 for this particular scenario. Now, in this next scenario, we have to look at the graph and figure out what rate they are charging for each gig of data or data. Now, if you notice, we have the ordered pair 1 and $2.50. We also have the ordered pair 2, $5. I'm not going to go in chronological order. We have the ordered pair 10 and it looks like about $25. And so we also have the ordered pair 8 and $20. So I'm looking, and as I look at this graph, I can tell that the rate of change, or the rate that they're charging for the gigs of data, is $2.50 per gig. Okay? Now, I'm still trying to figure out which plan is going to be a cheaper plan if I'm going to use 5 or more gigs of data. Okay? Now, so we see $40 here, but if we use 5 gigs here, it's going to give me this ordered pair, which is only $12.50. We need that plan. All right? So you can tell that this company is charging $2.50 per gig of data versus this company is charging $12.50 for the first 2 gigs each, and then another $5 a piece for each additional gig after that. So I think that if we go with this particular company right here at a rate of $2.50 per gig, we'll definitely save more money in the long run. Our website, www.younggurusmathtutoring.com, as well as our Facebook page. Go like us on Facebook, Young Gurus Math Tutoring. Remember, I've got the solution to your math problems.